I'm scared. 1, 2. No, I'm scared. 1, 2, 3. Hey you guys, I am about to try waxing again because I tried it on my armpits and it didn't work out, but I'm about to try it on my legs. So if you like to see this video, keep on watching, and excuse me for how I look. I just woke up and I look crusty dusty. That's fine. Let's get into it. Whatever. Okay, so I will be doing the Sally Henson all over body wax kit. This wants to focus. The wax kit, and it's Brazilian formula, removes hard to remove hair. Smart Wax grabs hair, not skin. One has oil in here, I think. Okay, it includes the Brazilian wax, the finishing oil, 20 cloth strips, and 8 natural wood spatulas. And it says eliminates even the most stubborn unwanted hair, reduces the appearance of hair growth, root growth. Microwavable formula, great for body, legs, arms, bikini, and more. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all, I tried this a few months ago on my armpits, and let me just say, whew, that was not it. Like, I don't know, maybe because the armpits are more sensitive, but I was like, I got the wax stuck on my armpit. I couldn't get it off. It was such a mess. I'll try to insert some pictures or clips, Snapchat videos that I took, because like I started bleeding. It was just bad. So I'm just gonna try it again on my legs because I think I can handle my legs. So let me just go ahead and warm this up while I open it up and show y'all what's inside. So we got sticks. We have the strip paper, whatever, the waxing strips, a bunch of them. This is just nothing. The instructions in this little packet, instructions. Then we have the wax, the actual wax. If my camera wants to focus, I don't know. Please excuse this angle. I'm doing this in front of my window. And then we have the oil. As you can see, I used a good bit of it. Lord. Oh, it doesn't show that way, but it's like a little bit halfway finished because it really got stuck on my armpit. But that's okay. I have body oil over there that I can use if this runs out to try to get it off. Hopefully, this will be a smooth process. But we're just gonna warm this up and I'll try it on my legs. Okay, you guys, the wax is melted. I melted it. First, I melted it 30 seconds, and then I did 20 seconds, and then I did 20 seconds again. It's pretty much melted, and I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, please excuse my leg. It's ashy. I didn't want to put lotion on it before I put this on, but let me show you. I let my hair grow out, so please don't judge me. And I'm ashy. So this is. All right, I'm so scared, y'all. I think it said. Wait, let me look at the instructions. I think it said go against or with. I don't know. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Ugh, that's Spanish. I don't know Spanish. I said Spanish. Oh, okay. In the direction of hair growth. Okay, and then pull. Okay, put it in the direction of hair growth. Then pull against hair growth and smooth with hair growth. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna cut these or like break them in half because I'm scared. I'm just gonna do a little section first. Oh Lord, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. I'm scared. Lord, okay. Just a little section first, like right here. Okay, go with. Oh no, I think that's too much. Oh Lord, I'm scared. I think I put in too much wax. Oh no. Okay, whatever. Oh Lord, I'm so scared. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's right there. And yes, I'm breathing hard. Okay, let's just put this on there. And it said go with. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm so scared. Oh Lord. Oh, I shouldn't have done this. I'm so scared. I shouldn't have done this. I'm so scared. Okay, let's get this all. Oh, I'm so scared. I shouldn't have done this. I'm so scared. Oh, no. I should not have done this. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Because last time it hurt so bad and I was so confident and then I tried to rip it off and it got stuck. I'm so scared. I think it's ready. Oh, I'm scared. 1, 2. No, I'm scared. 1, 2, 3.
Son of a bitch!
Oh, okay. Whew. Well, not bad. If you want to see the hairs, there it is. It doesn't want to insert a picture, but it worked. Let me try again. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna try another little piece, a little section. I'm so scared, y'all. That did not hurt as bad as my armpits. My armpits hurt it way worse. I'm over here dropping wax because I'm messy and I'm doing this on my bed, which is very smart. Not really. Oh no, I'm doing it the wrong way. Okay, go with the hair where it grows. All right, okay. Is this big enough? Okay. I'm still scared even though I just did it, but I'm still scared. Oh. I'm still scared. And I still got wax, like residue of wax on my leg. I'm still scared. Watch, I only do right here and then I shave the rest and then these grow back way faster than this one patch in my leg. Okay, here I go. 1. Oh, I'm scared. Just do it, Aliyah. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it still hurts. It hurts. It still hurts, but whew. Should I slap it? Is that what people do? I don't know, but yeah, that got a lot of hair as well. Whew. Ooh, I want to do my whole leg, but like I'm so scared. You know what? We'll just do the whole leg. We'll do the whole leg, and then I'll show you after pictures. Okay, now I'm gonna try to use this oil because I have like a lot of residue wax on there, and just try to like wipe some of it off. Whew. Y'all. Oh, is it coming off? It looks like when you like spit gum out and like it gets black because this ain't coming off. Bit, it's not coming off. I'll be back. Okay, so that was me waxing my leg, one leg because I didn't do the other, and I didn't finish this first leg because it's kind of just messy and I just don't have the patience. I'd rather just shave it with a razor. But if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment on it, comment what else I should do or try, and yeah, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and thanks for watching. Bye.